How to add a next alarm clock widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Wallpaper. Next, on the left-hand side panel, tap on the Customize button. Then tap on Add Widget. Next, in the Add Widget window, scroll down and then tap on Clock. From here, swipe across until you can see where it says Next Alarm. So you can choose a small size widget or a medium size widget. So tap on that and that will get added to your widget panel on the lock screen. After that, tap on the Close button, then tap on the Close button again, then tap on Done at the top to save the changes. And now you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now press on the side button to return to your clock screen. If you have any upcoming alarm, it will show in the widget right here in the widget panel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.